Hi guys, welcome to our channel Hobbies and Life Videos. Today's video is part of a bag painting series. And since this is the first time that I'm going to paint a woman's face on a bag, we need a beautiful model. So I just prepared the area with acetone. So next I draw the outline on a paper. You know, as a beginner, I have to draw the outline on the paper first. Like if it's just flowers, I just, draw the outline directly on the bag. But this time, I have to draw it on the paper first. I am going to list all the materials I used for this video in the description, the paints that I used, and the numbers of the brushes that I used. This time I actually looked at the numbers of the brushes that I used. So if you're a beginner like me, like you will know which brushes are, used. Like for the outline, I think I used number 6 pointed brush. And there's also a number 6 flat brush that I use for like coloring. I think this one is 5/8 brush. So to share with you my whole experience in painting this, it was, I totally enjoyed it, but there were times that I was really frustrated because I couldn't get it. Like, I couldn't make it look like her. Like even like at the first part when I'm like doing the primers, it's like, oh my goodness, like I was looking at the end product and it's like, oh, it doesn't look like her at all. So anyway, I did a lot of hit and miss. I did a lot of change in colors, and there was one time at the middle that I thought, oh, it started to look like her already. But then I think changes in colors and shading, it was like, so yeah, look at this, like this is the start, and it doesn't even look like her at all. So yeah, I did a lot of changes here, and then yeah, I came to here, and this one doesn't really look her at all. But this one, it seems like it started to look a bit like her at this point. But then as I change colors, change the shades, no, it doesn't look like her at the end, I think. But yeah, this part here, I think I can see her face here a little bit. So from here, it looks like there's already, you will see the changes already. That it started to not look like her anymore. But anyway, this is the finished product. And thank you guys for watching.